my gosh, the mouse is not feeding the phone again. Good morning, guys! Today is the second day. Hoy! Alam, magta-taxi, okay. So, ang plano is mag 2 rides tayo. Go from first kay from Agdao. Then, magdiretso tayo sa ano. Sa sikat doon na Jerome, something like that. Good morning! Nandito na tayo. Okay, I'm early again. But not early like kahapon. So, yun lang. We arrived at 6:10. Ang dilim, pero yan, andyan sila. Yan sila.
Second day.
Second day
At
rush
least may
na.
ginawa, guys.